Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how to decontaminate your car with iron remover. This GYEON wheel cleaner removes brake dust from all types of wheels with a simple spray onto the rotors and into the barrel of the rim. This one is GYEON Iron Redefined. This GYEON iron remover is safe to use on paint, wheels, glass, and trim. Application is also made simple by spraying it onto the body of the car. So if you're wondering what this is, an iron remover is a type of car detailing product that is designed to remove iron particles and other metal debris from a vehicle's surface. Iron particles are often embedded in the paint and can cause rust or other forms of corrosion if left untreated. With the more aggressive iron wheel cleaner, just spray it liberally onto the rotors and into the barrel of the rim. As it starts to neutralize all the iron particles, it will change colors to a purple hue. This is basically showing you that it's working on all the embedded particles. This is much easier than a mechanical decontamination, especially when the chemical can get to all those hard to reach areas. White paint makes the iron particles easy to spot. They are the yellow spots embedded into the clear coat. Regardless of the color of your car, it will have iron particles just from everyday use. White vehicles are just more visible. And for the body of the car, GYEON Iron Redefined is the product of choice. Similar to the rims, just spray it liberally all over the paint, glass, and trim. I'm focusing on the bottom and rear of the vehicle as these are likely the heavier or concentrated iron deposit areas. After a quick spray, just look at all the particles that GYEON iron is starting to neutralize and dissolve. Now that the iron remover is dwelled for about 3 minutes, let's take a look at where all the iron particles are on this car. Look at how contaminated the hood is. So this is known as a chemical decontamination as opposed to a mechanical one, such as a clay bar. Look at how much iron particles are on the doors. towards the rear of the vehicle will likely have the highest deposits. And most of this was invisible or you just couldn't see it with your naked eye. Look at how much is on the trunk lid. Even the roof of the car is exposed to iron particles that are in the air or coming off of other vehicles. And finally, here's the passenger door as we make our way back to the front of the car. Next is to rinse the vehicle thoroughly and then move on to whatever wash you may want, such as a contact wash, polish, waxing, or coating. Just to touch on the wheels for a bit, if you leave that heavy brake dust to sit on those expensive rims for an extensive time frame, you risk the iron becoming corrosive and etching the surface of the rim. So use GYEON iron to do the heavy cleaning to avoid metal particles ruining that surface. The rule of thumb when washing your car is to ensure it's cool to the touch and preferably in a shaded area. The same applies when using these chemicals. Use them in a shaded area, the vehicle must be cool to the touch, and don't let the chemicals dry on the surface. Now I will tell you the wheel cleaner does not smell the greatest, so use it in a well-ventilated area. The iron remover for the body does not have an odor, so there's no issue there. Besides the smell, this is a great detailing product that will help to keep your vehicle looking fantastic. It's definitely a must-have for your detailing kit. I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick this up or not, but the water being washed away on the driveway is a rich purple color from all the iron removed from the body and rims. And here's a look at the heavy deposit areas, such as the rear of the car, where all that iron was removed or dissolved. After the rinse, apply a foaming soap of your choice to ensure that all that chemical decontamination has been removed. There you have it, a thorough and effective way to remove those iron deposits that can cause issues with the surface of your vehicle by compromising the clear coat and paint. With an easy spray-on application, this chemical iron remover will greatly improve your automotive detailing. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.